Yo, alright. I want to show you this Airbnb that I'm staying at. Well, it's pretty dark out right now. But, damn, this heater's fucking cranking, dude. I'm in like southern Germany right now, and brought my food and snacks and shit. But this is what I'll be doing for like fucking tonight, tomorrow. So yeah, there's a palace nearby, and I went and got food. This is what the area looks like. There's a fly in here, dude. Come on, man. Bastard. I'm currently just recording. Oh, there's birds. I could touch this pigeon right now. Oh my god, he was literally right there. This is so cool. Like, this whole like town is really like old looking. Alright guys, so we are headed home. It's pretty cloudy out today. It's pretty like foggy and stuff like that, but yeah, I am headed home right now. I gotta fill up. I'm at half tank exact on the dot. Look at that, half tank. So yeah, headed home. I hope I have enough footage for like 2 videos, because right now I'm actually gonna record a POV video of the Subaru just driving, which I'm pretty excited for, to be honest with you, because I think it'll be pretty cool. Yesterday was kind of weird because I pulled up and the whole family was outside. They were like gardening and stuff. Germany's very like traditional, so I don't know what they were saying. I just heard 9, and then he was like yelling at his kid. But I wish I could have recorded the castle more, but unfortunately they don't allow you to record in most castles. They don't. I think it's for preservation purposes. Like, they'd rather you just not record. You can take pictures on the outside and stuff, which is what I did, but you're not allowed to, unfortunately, not allowed to go inside and take pictures. Some other people were like sneaking pictures and stuff, but I'm not like that, so I didn't really want to risk getting caught. And yeah, so I'm gonna record this GoPro video now. I did stop to get a Red Bull. I let the GoPro kind of like sit for a while because that thing was on my head for a good like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna see how my first ever like GoPro video turned out, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. The lighting's really bad in here, but I got a pink Red Bull. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these before, because they're not in the States, I don't think, but really fucking good. But yeah, I'm gonna head back. I have about 40 minutes left, but check out this thing. I don't know what this is. Can't tell if it's like an old Opel or not, but it's pretty cool. It's like a little SUV. It looks like maybe a farmer's truck or something, but pretty cool. But anyways, guys, if you guys did happen to enjoy today's video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you are new. Peace.